Ignoring hail damage repairs now might be a financial hardship later. Right now you might be trying to save your $500 deductible, or you might be trying to not have an insurance claim because you're afraid your rates are going to go up. If you're trading your vehicle in, or if you're trying to sell your vehicle and you never got your hail damage repair, it might seem light, but the average hail damage repair is $4,000 to $6,000 even when it's light, and you don't want to pay that yourself out of pocket. The reason we have insurance is to protect us from these events, and in most cases, hail damage on an automobile is a no-fault claim. Please check with your insurance companies and give us a call here at American Dent Specialists, Houston's #1 rated paintless dent repair facility, and we can assess your damage for you and let you know the best path to getting your vehicle back to pre-loss condition. American Dent Specialists is Houston's #1 paintless dent repair facility. We've been in Houston for 26 years. We have a brick and mortar location that's 20,000 square feet. We have every single thing necessary to fully bring your ride back to its pre-loss condition. Doesn't matter if you have a Fiat or Ferrari, we're here to help. Thank you.